Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Inse vacuum replacement part on the market. The Odashen Vacuum Replacement Parts Carpet Brush Assembly with Roller Brush, specifically designed for the Inse N5, N3, N6, and N6S cordless vacuum cleaners. If you own one of these models, this replacement brush head is definitely something you should consider to keep your vacuum running efficiently and extending its lifespan. This carpet brush assembly is not just any replacement part. It features a direct drive motor head. This means the brush head has its own motor, allowing it to provide strong suction while sweeping. The power behind this brush helps it penetrate carpets deeply, lifting stubborn dirt and debris that other brushes might miss. It is equally effective on hard floors, ceramic tiles, and carpets, making it a versatile cleaning tool for your home. One of the things that sets this brush apart is the build quality. The Odashen replacement brush is crafted from premium materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. When you invest in this part, you're getting a product that's designed to withstand regular use without wearing out quickly. Inside the package, you'll find one replacement motorized brush head along with a cleaning brush. The inclusion of the cleaning brush makes maintenance easier, helping you keep the roller brush free of tangled hair and dirt buildup, which can impact suction and overall cleaning efficiency. The dimensions of this product are compact enough to fit seamlessly with the original vacuum, measuring approximately 11.85 by 9.84 by 3.15 inches, and it weighs about 1.74 pounds. This makes it easy to handle and install without any hassle. For those wondering about compatibility, this brush head fits the Inse N5, N3, N6, and N6S cordless vacuum cleaner models perfectly. It's an ideal replacement part if your existing brush has worn out, lost suction, or simply isn't performing as well as it used to. This brush assembly offers the convenience of a direct drive motor combined with a strong suction force, which makes it efficient in capturing fine dust and dirt particles on various floor surfaces. Whether you have a busy household with pets or just want a thorough clean, this part will help maintain your vacuum's optimal cleaning power. Additionally, the manufacturer, Odashen, is known for providing practical and reliable vacuum cleaner accessories. This replacement brush head lives up to that reputation, offering an affordable and practical way to enhance the performance of your Inse vacuum cleaner without needing to buy an entirely new unit. In summary, if you're looking for a reliable, effective, and durable replacement carpet brush assembly for your Inse cordless vacuum, the Odashen Vacuum Replacement Parts Carpet Brush Assembly with Roller Brush is one of the best options available. It restores powerful suction, cleans various floor types with ease, and is simple to maintain. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights and honest reviews. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest in home and kitchen accessories.